Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video, we are going to see how to install Spectrum TV app on Hisense Smart TV, supported models and install fix. First, how to install Spectrum TV app on Hisense Smart TV. To install the Spectrum TV app on the Hisense Smart TV, your television must run Google TV, Android TV or Zumo OS. Hisense television running the proprietary Vida OS or older Roku TV platforms do not natively support the Spectrum TV app. Step-by-step installation guide supported models. If your TV uses Google TV or Android TV OS, follow these steps to install the app. Press the home button on your Hisense remote control, then navigate to the Apps tab at the top of the interface. Now select the search bar or press the microphone button and say Spectrum TV. Then select the official app developed by Charter Communications/Spectrum and click install or get to begin the download process. Now launch the app and sign in with your Spectrum master account credentials. Supported Hisense models and operating system. Google TV/Android TV 2020 to present. This platform is fully supported, allowing you to open apps, search for Spectrum TV, and select install. Zumo OS/X Class TV all years. This platform is fully supported because the app comes pre-installed and can be found directly on your home screen. Vida OS budget models. This platform is not supported, meaning you cannot download the app and must use an external workaround instead. Roku TV platform legacy models. Compatibility is legacy dependent on these discontinued models, meaning it is only supported if the TV still has access to the Roku channel store. Thank you for watching, and for more such informative videos, do like, share and subscribe to our channel.